Hey friends, welcome back to Plan, Prep, Pray. I'm Wendy, a homeschooling mama of 5, soon to be 6, very, very soon. And today we're doing something fun, a van tour of our Ford Transit 350 medium roof, aka our rolling command center. This van has been a game changer for large family life, especially when it comes to road trips, homeschooling on the go, and just managing everyday chaos like diaper blowouts and snack disasters. So if you've ever wondered how we keep it all organized, or you're looking for ideas to make your own van more functional, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. First up, the Ford Transit 350 medium roof. We chose this van for the space, the height. Our kiddos are very tall. My husband's 6'5", and the ability to customize it for our family. There's room for everyone. And I can even stand up inside of it, which was a must for me, especially getting kids buckled and not having to, throw my back out. So we've got 10 seats in here currently, but it can be up to 12. Plenty of storage and a few upgrades that really make a difference for a family of our size. So let's jump into the full van tour. We are going to start from the side of the car. We've got these railings that you can step up on, which I love. And let's go ahead and hop in here. Hold on. So it's a slide door, and once you push it back far enough, it locks. So that way it doesn't slide back on the kiddos. So in the first row, that's where my toddler sits. When the baby gets here, we'll sit here. And the first thing you're gonna see here is this garbage bag that we have behind every single row. So we have one here, we have one here, and we have one behind that seat right there. And these are like garbage cans that are lined, so they are insulated. They can also be used as lunch boxes if I ever needed to use it as a lunchbox. So love that dual purpose. And the other thing that I really appreciate about it is that the bag that's inside locks in with this metallic clip on either side. So the bag's not just sliding down and then the garbage bag is getting dirty. There's like a bag in there to keep it all locked in. So I love that. And I love that they're able to just push it in there. There's also this tablet holder that we use on long car trips when we want everybody to be able to see. So we kind of just like prop it up a little and they're able to see. It's small, but we make it work. So behind every single seat, you're going to see this back seat organizer. This is one of the cleanest because it's the toddlers, so I pretty much manage it and pass things to him. And so every single one has like a little toy, has some colored pencils. Sorry, third trimester, really, really pregnant, heavy breathing, sorry. In addition to that, has like one of these cute little coloring books. I got like a pack of 24 of them from Amazon. And so you'll see these little coloring books as well as a little notebook for them to write in or sketch in or whatever. Right here, you can place a tablet so that they're able to watch. We only do that on like 24-hour car trips. Then each person might have a tablet. But like on the 3-hour car trips, we'll use this to watch a movie. So let me zoom out a little. So it also comes down here, and then they have like a table to press on to have their food or whatever. And you can put the drinks in here, and you can also put the tablet in this part, which is really, really cool. A lot of my kiddos will put their drink down here too, especially if it's a water bottle. Now I'm standing up, so I'm going to bring you to the front before I take you to the back. But that's pretty much what the front looks like. And I'll explain what each one of these things are right now. So in here, this is our medicine box. And it just has quick meds like Tylenol, ibuprofen. These are chewables, Excedrin for headaches, ibuprofen or Advil for adults, and
Tylenol for adults, extra strength, hand sanitizer, and some Band-Aids. So just like quick meds that we need access to. In addition to that, this one has our like personal care item things. So if we need sunblock, this is our sunblock stick. This is our liquid sunblock. We've got these things, which I love, and they're like toothbrushes with a little bit of toothpaste in them, and it doesn't need water. You don't need to rinse, and you can just brush your teeth, which is great when kiddos forget to brush their teeth, which happens more often than you think, and they're disposable, and it's got a little pick on the end. And then I've got deodorant. I've got 2 scents for girls and for boys. And then we have lotion, which we always need. So we have dry skin, and it's Kansas and super dry around here. In here, I have fidgets. So if anybody just needs something extra, this is not working anymore, they need another distraction, I'll pass back one of the fidgets that we have in here. Got this. We just got to have a ton of fidgets that I can pass back and keep little ones especially distracted for a little bit longer. Up front here, we have like a charging station right here where we're able to charge our phone or different things like that. This is another one of the backs, one of the tablet holders. We also have a place to charge up here for phones or tablets, and another charger here, which is great. And over on my side, usually during car rides, I like to keep paper towels or napkins ready, because there's always somebody that I need to wipe or they need to wipe. And then I've got more lotion because it's a must, and more hand sanitizer because it's a must. Those 2 things utilize a lot, so I just make sure to have it as in 2 different spots just in case I run out. I love these deep cup holders. I'm able to put like Stanleys or like those big cups in here, which is great as well. Now let's walk back. So in the second row, this is where my teens usually sit. It's the same situation happening here with the coloring books and the color pencils and water and book or notebooks. And you'll also find, I dropped it on the floor, snacks, because why wouldn't you find snacks? All right, and we've got these hooks all throughout the car, which I love, and they came with these hooks right here, and it's just great for them to hang their jackets or blankets or whatever they have on them. And we've got another garbage bag back here, so we have one in every row, like I said. Back here, the last row, we only have 2 seats right here. You're able to have 4, but ours is out so that we can have more walk room, and because we just didn't need that many seats. So back here, my 5-year-old and my 7-year-old like to be together, so they sit together back here, and this is what theirs looks like. I mean, they do a pretty good job at keeping it organized and not on the floor and stuff, and they like it here because it's more convenient for them. And then this is their garbage can back here. So like I said, we currently have it configured for 10 instead of 12, but we're able to have 12 in here, 12 seats in here. And now the trunk, I opened one of them because I need both hands, but I opened one of them already, but I'm able to open the second one as well. And there is a way to unlock. When you unlock, I'm able to like latch it to the side of the car right here, and it's magnet, and so it allows the doors to be really wide open if I need them. So back here, let me explain the situation. We're getting ready to go on a trip, so there is water bottles back here. We've got this storage container right here, which is always full. Before I show you what's in there, I've got this storage container, which remains closed. This is only for my grocery pickups or Sam Club pickups, or whenever I just go to the grocery store, and it is one that I can have the grocery bags placed in. So I'll just open it, pop it up like this, get this divider. I'll put it in here like this. Then this, doing it real time with you guys. So you see how long it actually takes me. I don't know how great I can do it because I'm one-handed, but do like that, do like that. If I want it separated, if I need bigger spaces, then I won't put the separators in, but I just do that real quick before I go do my pickup or at my pickup, and then they can put my bags in here for me. In addition to that, if I ever need a lunchbox besides the garbage can lunchboxes that I have, I've got a huge lunchbox that came with this back organizer. And sometimes, if I'm feeling fancy, I'll ask them if they can place the cool items. Or if I have multiple pickups, I will just place the items that need to be kept cool inside of the bigger lunchbox. Or if we're going on a trip where we want to keep some things cool, we'll use this lunchbox right here. And then if we stop by a park or something, we can take it out and go with it. So that's that. And now in here, this back here, that spot is usually for the lunchbox. I just haven't put it back in yet. And then this spot houses extra towels just in case there's a big spill or somebody gets wet. I have extra towels back here, and then extra blankets. So just in case somebody gets cold, I have 2 blankets back here, 2 soft, really comfy blankets. Comes in great, especially for long road trips. In here, I have our car cleaning kit and our church bags. So each of my kiddos gets a church bag that they bring to church with them, and it has coloring pages and sketch pads and color pencils and stuff for them to do while the pastor is preaching and different things like that. My older daughter takes notes, so she has her notes and some coloring books. So that's where she takes her notes and stuff like that. So that's where we house our church bags. In here is our car cleaning stuff. So that is the vacuum cleaner that attaches if I need to charge it. It's got the little car charger and paper towels. In addition to that, in here, hold on. So in here is our car cleaning kit, which has like all the brushes and microfiber cloths and just different things for cleaning the car. My husband knows what these things are. I know what a couple of them are. So some slime for cleaning out the cup holders and different things like that. What is this? Washer fluid. So, yep. Back here is another organizer that we have. So this organizer, in this big pocket right here, is diapers for my toddler. And so his diapers are in here, just extra diapers for him, as well as ponchos. We've got extra disposable ponchos, adult ponchos and kid ponchos in here because we've been caught in the rain one time too many. And so I have disposable ponchos in here. We've got extra changes of clothing, mostly for my 3 younger ones are in here. An extra paper towel roll because you can't have enough. First aid kit, and in here are extra Ziploc bags. I will probably switch this out and put diapers for the baby here soon so I can have extra newborn diapers ready to go as well. One last thing I forgot to mention is that inside each cup holder is these little coasters for easy cleanup. So each of my kids' cups holders has those coasters.
So that's the tour. This van has really become more than just a vehicle. It's an extension of our home. It lets us live life fully without losing our minds. I hope it gave you some ideas or maybe just permission to throw a few baskets in your back seat and call it organized. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you keep in your car that you can't live without? And if you're a homeschooling mom trying to juggle home, van, school, and sanity, definitely check out the Plan, Prep, Pray planner. It's made all the difference for our weekly resets and homeschool rhythms and all that stuff. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with another mama who's living that minivan or transit life. Until next time, remember, you've got this because God's got you.